Top 10 fast food restaurant in Omaha. 1. Block 16, 4.7, 2,561 reviews, Farnam St. 2. Dirty Birds, 4.7, 827 reviews, St. Marys Avenue 3. Everett's, 4.7, 718 reviews, Maple St. 4. Dinker's Bar and Grill, 4.6, 2,853 reviews, South 29th Street, 5. Louie M's Burgerlust, 4.6, 1880 reviews, Vinton St. 6. Chick-fil-A, 4.5, 2,660 reviews, Dodge St. 7. Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers, 4.4, 2,707 reviews, Dodge St. 8. Don and Millie's, 4.4, 1877 reviews, Farnam St. 9. Timeout Foods, 4.4, 1768 reviews, North 30th Street, 10. Pickleman's Gourmet Cafe, 4.4, 1,375 reviews, Farnam Street.